That's a spicy sausage ball. That's good. I'm Christy, and I was never taught how to cook. My cooking tutorials consisted of my grandmother teaching me how to boil an egg and fry an egg. That was it. She didn't want me in the kitchen. We've all had that grandmother that's like, get out of my kitchen, you're just getting in the way. That was her. Actually, it was my great-grandmother, long story. But I never learned how to cook. It would be either me reading the instructions off a box or buying a cookbook. And I got to where I kind of played around with my own recipes, and I don't go by measuring. You don't need to go out and get measuring cups or anything like that. Maybe one measuring cup. I don't have a lot of measuring tools because I don't use them. I eyeball them. So you don't even have to worry about being precise with any of these recipes or instructions. If you've never cooked anything, that's fine. Most everything that we're gonna cook is gonna involve an oven. 350 degrees for the most part, usually 30 to 45 minutes in the oven. And it's easy. It's so easy. You are so intimidated by cooking, but you do not have to be. Click on this channel, subscribe to it. This playlist, I'm gonna have all kinds of recipes that even you can learn how to cook. Super easy, total beginner level, cooking for idiots. Cooking if you don't know how to cook or if you are actually cooking for idiots. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna teach you how to cook. If you want more recipes, check back with me. Click on the little subscribe button. Click on the little bell so you'll get notified when I've got a new video coming out. I wanna teach you how to cook. It's easy. It is seriously easy. When I learned to cook, I didn't know how to do anything but fry and boil an egg, and that was it. Everything else, I taught myself. I wanna teach you. Thank you for watching, and come back and see me again. Bon appetit!